Arrive in style with this 2014 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: security system, driver airbag, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, keyless entry, power mirror, satellite radio, tow hooks, and variable speed intermittent wipers. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.